Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 version on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then select Linux, then select Ubuntu. See here, PostgreSQL M repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu like 25.04, 24.10, 24.04 and others. Okay, so we have to run all these commands one by one to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, copy this command, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. This command will install CA certificates. Type and hit enter. CA certificates is already installed. Okay, Ctrl L, it is done. Now create the repository signing key by running these two commands. Paste it, hit enter, then run this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create repository configuration file. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter, then run this command, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you give this one, it will install latest version. If you want to install 16, you have to give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. Okay, I want to install latest version. Okay, hit enter. See, now it is installing PostgreSQL server version 17. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and see here the default settings like max connections set to 100, shared buffers 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone. Okay, and other options. See, this is the data directory. See, here we have other information. Okay, now check the status of the PostgreSQL server. Ctrl A, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running and it is enabled. Quit Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, but this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is PSQL client version. Now verify the version of the PostgreSQL server by running select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.5. Okay, quit Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user. We can also verify the same. Select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Now set the password for this user. Alter username Postgres with password. Set the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases. Quit. You can also get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Okay, now create database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, new database bank is created. Ctrl A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the \c, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Let us create table. See, we don't have any tables. Create table customer. It is typo. See, you have successfully created. Okay, see, you have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table. Type is table, owner is Postgres. Now insert some data into this table. Insert into See, you have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now exit from the current session and connect PostgreSQL server with this new user. \q is the command to exit. PSQL -u must be caps. Then username is David -h means host name or local host -d. Provide the database name. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this David user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, we are able to access the database, but we can't access the tables. Let us try to run the query against the table that we have created. Select star from customer. See, access denied for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Quit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo, we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this user. Now run sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. You can also verify the same by running sudo su-postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, start it again. Exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. It is started. Let us verify. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Go to quit. Control A. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. I will show you configuration files location. Sudo su-postgres psql show config_file. See, this is the main configuration file for the PostgreSQL server. Okay, and if you want to find the hba_conf file, show hba_file. And if you want to find the data directory, show data_directory. Control L. See, this is the data directory. If you want to find the log directory, just replace this data with log. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17 version on Ubuntu 24.04.3. okay, for more PostgreSQL or Ubuntu Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.